Okay, so for this test we want to clear this. Okay, so now you can see we're clear. We got the premium non-ethanol in there, filled her up. We are at 0 miles on the trip meter B, and we're at 0 average miles per gallon until we start out, and we'll see how this test goes. Okay, so now let's test this thing, see how many miles a gallon we get. Hey guys, now we're going to do the test because I'm at 126.8, and it says we are getting 76.5 miles a gallon average. I believe on the last tank was the regular unleaded, and I got when I filled it up with gas and estimated it was 73, I believe, something like that. I'll post it right here, show what it is. But we're going to see what it gets on this. Is actually the premium no ethanol. So now we're going to fill it up and see what it gets on the premium no ethanol. Hopefully good, hopefully better, who knows. I usually run premium non-ethanol. If I'm somewhere and ain't got it, I still will get the regular unleaded, of course. You will or you walk. And they sure ain't got it everywhere, at least not here in Missouri. They don't. I'll put our phone up here, get the calculator up. Contains no ethanol, premium, 91 octane. That's what this test is going to be on. The last one, you can look back. I'll put a link below where I done my test of the regular unleaded, 87 octane. You can check it out. So we're going to fill this dude up, see what we got. Okay, 1.661 is what we are. So I'm going to actually go ahead and add this up before I hang this up, because I want to put some gas in my Rotopacks. Okay. So we're going to go 127.1 miles. And we're going to divide that by 1.661 gallon of gas. 76.52 miles a gallon. Now that's actually better than the regular unleaded for sure. Now, whether that's enough to pay the price in gas is like 90 cents higher here. It's $3.69. It's like 90 cents higher, I think, per gallon for premium non-ethanol. So whether you think that's worth paying for or not, I think it's just a lot better gas that don't have the water in it like the ethanol kind of gas. So I think it's actually a better deal. So there it is, 76.52 on premium non-ethanol gas on the Honda CRF300L. Thank you guys for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Right on.